My first poem, His Grace. It was written by me on 30th April 2024. Such moment will come in life by your own knowledge and wisdom. You will not be able to rescue yourself, will be vanquished due to errors and omissions. The Son of Life, as if desires to say, you must have faith in Him. He will shower you with His grace and kindness to save in these bad times. This pain of broken heart, all endless operations in life, nothing will remain anymore due to His blessing. The person who has faith in Him always is offering himself on the dust of His feet. All his dangers go away. The darkness doesn't remain there. You will get peace by the consequences of your activities in your restless heart, and only prayer, every day adoration of Him will remove all pains of your heart. You have not to remain in searching of deliverance that will surrender in your binding of heart spontaneously. My second poem, Free Bird. Free Bird was written by me on 1st May 2024. Always human life is without peace. There is crying along the streets, day and night, all the time. Who is floating in the stream of joy and happiness today? So he will be adorned with the dress of beggar. This life will be marched into the darkness at the end of the day. Who has been able to tear the bindings again and again? The human life is having no substance within it. Who has studied its gist? That man's mind doesn't become colorless, pale, in the burning of sorrows and by the touch of hard world, who searches the peace within the fulfillment of his demands, that life will become vain by blow after blow, removing oneself from low immortal world, crossing that horizon like the free bird who floats and becomes marched within that infinite. Only within himself a sweet joyous tune has been playing on the lute of his heart. He is not under the control of humans' manners and customs.